Scorpio, hi, welcome to your August general reading. So I'll be pulling out an oracle card from for a business for a message from the universe, and then I'll move on to the tarot reading. So being a general read will not resonate with all Scorpions out there. So let's get started without much delay. So which message would you like to provide Scorpio with universe? Let's get a card for overall message for Scorpio. Unfinished Symphony. So Unfinished Symphony is your card number 10. Probably you have unfinished business with someone. Now let's get into the tarot read. So this will have three cards. One is your recent past, and second is your current energy, and third will be what's coming towards you. I think I have a few cards from the other deck in here. Let me sort this out. Okay. So I hope you had a wonderful July, Scorpio, and that you have a wonderful month coming ahead. So let's get your past energies. I think this wanted to come out. The Page of Swords. So this is your past energy. I think this also wanted to come out. The King of Cups. So Page of Swords and the King of Cups is your past energy. Now for your current energies, let's get your current energies. Current energies for Scorpio. The Five of Swords. This is your current energy. One more card, I think. Judgment. So this is your current energy. The Five of Swords and Judgment. And what's coming towards Scorpio in August? What's coming towards Scorpio? The Six of Swords. This is what you're going to come to. Alright, so this is your tarot spread. So in the past, I think you had a King of Cups with whom you had a very attracted kind of state of affairs. And the Page of Swords is, communication that was in the beginning stage. So it started off pretty well, I think. The King of Cups is somebody who is quite attracted to you. But being a water signs card, this could be your energy as well. But I think this is someone else who was hugely attracted to you, and you had initial conversation with this person with the Page of Swords over here, and there was a lot of spying back and forth probably, but it was quite an intimate, an attracted, what do you call it, a passionate attraction. More than passion, it is something related to the soul, the heart. Okay. Now in the current, you have the Five of Swords, which is winning at any cost, being a little manipulative and thinking only of oneself. And I don't know whose energy this was, but somebody had to turn back because of this attitude of the other. And somebody made a decision based on some things which they assumed possibly, and they felt they were being brought to the back burner, and there was a decision that was made, and somebody in the future, it is the Six of Swords. So somebody is moving away. I think it's you who is moving away from this King of Cups, because there was too much of argument, or there was a clash of ego, or misunderstanding or miscommunication, which led to a decision from your side to move away. Okay, I think that's what happened or is happening. But let's get clarifiers over here. Let's get clarifiers. Why is the Page of Swords over here? Page of Swords. Let's explain the Page of Swords. Page of Swords explained by the Six of Swords. Okay, so you had probably moved towards your happiness in the past. Okay. Or you were trying to get to a point or a place of happiness and understanding. Okay. And this had probably led you to the King of Cups, or you had moved in search of love in the past. Okay. And let's explain the King of Cups over here. Let's try and find out why the King of Cups is here. Why is the King of Cups here? The Moon. So probably this person was silent. Okay, you did not know much about him. See, I have the King of Cups beneath the deck as well. So he definitely was attracted or is attracted towards you, and you knew that. You kind of found out possibly that he's silent, and there was not much communication. As I said, it's only initial communication between you two, or an initial attraction, and there was no action on this possibly. That's why the Moon card is here. You intuitively knew that he is the one for you, or he is connected to you by soul, or this is something something that is connected to it's not connected to the self. It's definitely someone else. Okay, so all right, so you had to gather a lot of strength to make this move. Okay, and I think the King of Cups was silent, and this prompted you to take a decision to move away. Let's see. Let's understand why the Five of Swords is the current energy. The Five of Swords. So at the moment you feel that there is a lot of clash of words or ego, or even if nothing is being said, there is this feeling of being shortchanged. Somebody wants to win at all costs. Four of Cups. So there's a feeling of having a missed opportunity over here. Somebody feels that something passed them by. Okay, and some things are very slow for your liking. Things are very slow. You feel that you're not being given your due, and this is causing a mental conflict over here. Let's see why the Judgment card is here. Judgment. Why is the Judgment over here? Somebody prepared, I think the Six of Swords over here is somebody moving away from you. Okay, that also could be. Judgment indicated by the Ace of Pentacles. So you have decided that enough is enough, and that you want a new beginning. You want a new stable beginning with something else or someone else. You're going to work for it. It could be a career. Okay, with being the Pentacles, you could be focusing on your career, your coins, your money, etc. And you feel that possibly this King of Cups could be bypassed or left behind, because he or she is not talking much, or giving out of going out of his way to convince you that he or she is there for you. Okay. Anyway, the energies are reversed, so they are interchangeable. So this could be you doing this to someone as well. Now let's explain the Six of Swords in the outcome, or what's going to happen towards you. Six of Swords, somebody again is moving. Somebody is moving towards you, or you moving away from someone. The Nine of Cups. So somebody is moving towards their wish fulfillment. Possibly it is this person who moved away in the past is coming back to you. You are their wish fulfillment, possibly. Fool, yeah. So somebody is going to take a new bold step, a leap of faith. Okay, and they're going to have their wish fulfillment. They're going to leave behind what they were holding tightly, possibly a past relationship or an employment which kept them away, but they're now coming back. So I think that explains the unfinished symphony over here, because something was left unfinished, unfinished business for which they're coming back. I think they're going to reach out to you pretty soon. Let's get one more overall card for you, Scorpio. I know this card had to be taken or pulled out first before I did the no, as soon as I did the shuffling. But let's see. That's too many cards. There wasn't much communication in the past between you two, Scorpio, or maybe you could have communicated and they never got back. The Two of Swords, the Nine of Wands, and Judgment. So somebody is done, pointlessly fighting to hide something or protect something. They're going to make a decision and they're going to take a leap of faith. They're going to expand their horizon and they're going to come towards you. Probably you'll get a message also, Scorpio. So I think it's going to be all going to be okay and well, and in the department of the heart. So I hope this reading resonates with you, Scorpio. Do let me know in the comments, and if it doesn't, please forgive me. I'll see you around by the mid of August for the mid-August reading. Till then, God bless and bye-bye.